Let's talk about workers' compensation insurance and why it is so important for your franchise. When an employee has a work-related injury or illness, a workers' comp policy can help cover the employee's medical expenses and a portion of lost wages during their recovery. It could help protect the employer from financial consequences. Without it, a single event could expose your franchise to financial liability that a lot of franchisees simply cannot absorb. Workers' comp isn't just good practice. In most states, it's the law. In fact, many franchises, even with one employee, are required to carry coverage. And failing to do so can result in significant fines, legal penalties, and liability for the franchise and owners. Automatic Data Processing Insurance Agency can help you find workers' comp coverage that meets your state requirements and your budget. And when you add on ADP's pay-as-you-go solution that integrates directly with ADP payroll, your premium payments are adjusted automatically using real-time data. That means fewer surprises, better cash flow, with tools and support to help you manage your policy. Don't overlook protecting your employees and your franchise. Find out how easy it is to get workers' compensation coverage today.